Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Today there was a court case hearing in Madras High Court regarding NMC bill. College representative from Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu colleges, private as well as deemed university, they had filed a petition against the NMC memorandum, and the first hearing had already happened. In that, uh, the justice had given a comment which was not in favor of NMC, because it will degrade the quality of education in medical education, which we can't compromise. That was the statement, okay, sort of that. But today there was the second hearing, which couldn't happen due to absence of one of the justice, and it is lined up for tomorrow, and it will be happening tomorrow in the first half. For tomorrow, there are two cases. One is in Supreme Court for EWC reservation criteria, and the second is NMC bill in High Court. So we will able to get the more detail tomorrow, and I will keep you updated with the updated post on the activities going on related to these court cases. One point which is noticeable from last hearing, and there is article also, okay, that they mention that in case they are forced to convert 50% of seats into at par with government college tuition fee, then the infrastructure that they have developed is on their own investment, and whatever the payment they are giving for professors or other staffs, okay, if they try to reduce the payment of the professors, so it will degrade the quality, okay. So forcing private colleges to convert the tuition fee of 50% seats into government will ultimately degrade the quality of education, and it's not a good idea to compromise the education in the medical field, okay. So it was the major point from the discussion in the last hearing, okay. So whatever the updates that we get tomorrow, I'll update you, and stay tuned with the NEET Mentor. Have a nice day.